Welcome to the Basic Navigation and Terminology tutorial for PestPack. In this segment, you will be introduced to the basic terms and features of PestPack. Begin by logging into your PestPack program. On the login screen, you will be prompted to enter your unique company key, username, and password. There are also two options on this screen that you may enable. Remember Me will store your company key and username on this workstation to automatically fill in the next time you log on. Remember Password will allow your workstation to store your password as well. After logging in, you will be brought immediately to the PestPack Today screen. As you navigate through PestPack, the name of each screen will be displayed in the upper left-hand corner of the page. The PestPack Today screen contains a general overview that can be divided into several areas. In this example, the screen has been divided into 4 sections displaying the 5 most recent phone messages, sales leads, and tasks, along with a list of commonly used reports from the report gallery. You can view these individual calls, leads, tasks, or reports by clicking the underlined blue text. Underlined blue text is referred to as a link. Links appear on various screens and reports throughout the program. Across the top of the screen is the main PestPack toolbar. This toolbar appears on every screen in PestPack and allows you to navigate from page to page. The toolbar itself is divided into several drop-down menus. The Company menu contains most of PestPack's program settings and administrative features. Any changes made in the Company menu will affect all of the users and customer accounts system-wide. Next is the Customer menu. The Customer menu contains many of PestPack's day-to-day operations and will be used most frequently for finding customer accounts, posting service orders, entering payments, or applying credits and adjustments to account balances. Clicking on the Appointment menu accesses PestPack's graphic appointment calendar. The appointment calendar is an important tool to be used when scheduling, routing, and optimizing a technician's daily work. The Tools menu is where many of PestPack's utilities and miscellaneous features are listed. From the Tools menu, you can make changes to your personal profile, use mass rescheduling tools, import data, or merge accounts. It's important to periodically review the Tools menu, as new features and utilities are frequently added to it with each new PestPack update. The Reports menu is self-explanatory. It displays PestPack's most commonly used report screens and allows you to view all of the reports available in the system. The Website menu is linked to an optional website building module that is available for PestPack. If your company chooses to purchase this module, you will be able to edit, update, and add to your website using these features. Finally, the Logout option signs you out of PestPack and allows another person in your office to use the program. In addition to the main menu across the top, there is also a navigation bar that runs down the left-hand side of the screen. By clicking on the Location Search button, you will be brought to PestPack's main search screen. The term location refers to information that is tied to an actual service site, whereas the term bill to refers to information tied to a customer's billing address and account balance. You will see these two terms, location and bill to, repeated throughout the program, so it is important to understand the difference between the two. The gold shortcuts that appear in the navigation bar and on various PestPack screens are referred to as buttons. Unlike a link which brings you to a specific account or document, a button sends a command to PestPack to perform a certain function or access a certain utility. You may notice that some buttons have an underlined letter appearing in their name. By holding down the Alt key on your keyboard and pressing the underlined letter, you're able to activate that button without having to use your mouse. For example, pressing Alt and S together activates the Search button on the screen. Clicking on the Add Customer button will bring you to a blank location screen for adding a new customer account. The Add Call and Add Lead buttons allow you to add a new message to PestPac's built-in call log. The last button returns you to the PestPac Today screen. Beneath these buttons is the location history list, which displays the last 10 locations you viewed. You can return to any of these accounts by clicking on the customer name. Right-click on the name and select Open in New Window to open the location in a second PestPac screen. At the bottom of the navigation bar is a Quick Search field. Quick Search allows you to perform an immediate search of your customers' names, addresses, and phone numbers from any search in the program. In the upper right-hand corner of the screen is the option to open PestPac's Help feature. Every screen and feature in PestPac has its own unique Help page, which will explain all of the features, fields, and settings currently being displayed. You can also click on Help Index or Search Help to browse through other pages that are available. This concludes the basic navigation and terminology tutorial. Thank you.